it's D&D. I started this video, but it didn't work out. So I'm going to try again. I already opened some of the figurines, but I'm going to start again. Okay, so here we've got Nightmare Bonnie with Grandfather Clock. I'm not going to build them, but I'll show you what they look like. Ooh, this looks cool. I wonder if you can open his mouth. Ah. Pizza, 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 pizza. Either way, he's weird. I'm gonna try to put them together. There we go. Next, we're gonna open up Phantom Balloon Boy with Office Hallway. He looks like he's gonna glow in the dark. I'm spooky. Next, we've got the stuff that I found from the dollar store called Blurp. It's backward. No, it's called Blurp. Sorry, you can't. It's backwards for you. But come on. There we go. This is for you. It's really squishy. It's supposed to be scented. It smells like banana. Well, that's at least what the minion says. Get in there, please. Excuse me. Get in there. No, we're gonna just put this to the side. Next, we're gonna open. Sorry, got some of the banana on me. Next, we're gonna open a trash pack. There we go. I got Oozy Juicy. Next, I got Filthy Frog Legs. Next, I got Carrot. Next, I got Grothopper. Next, I got Gross Koolash. Sorry. And last of all, I got Slime Apple. We're going to open another pack. These packs have, like, I don't even know. But it's supposed to add up to 40. Seriously? Maybe try the other side? There we go. Finally, the next ones I got is Sneeze Burger. The next one I got is filthy fan. And next, I got Gunk Gator. He's sparkly. He's sparkly. Next, we got dyed fries. Rice, I mean. And then the next one, we got Stinky Ring. Next one that we're gonna do is the same thing. We all know it. There we go. Come on. Maybe I need to cut them a little bit more. There we go. Wow. Next, we got Snotty Skittle. I got Tangled Seaweed. And also, I got Pear Beware. Next, I got Banged Up Canner. And then Frostfish. And also, Trashy Textbook. I wouldn't want to be in high school. I wouldn't want. Next up is another one. How many times am I gonna say that? I got Sewage Supreme. I like some pizza. I like Sewer Pipe. I like Horrid Hanches. And I like Icky Pickle. That's funny. Okay, this one is the best out of all of them. Whacked Wasp. Then I wouldn't want to eat this. Stinky Shrimp. We got a bunch more to go. How long is this gonna be? Next is Queasy Cheese. Next up is Hair Lice. Next up is Yuck Box. And next up is Savored Snout. The second to last is Yucky Spout. And the last one is Slime Apple. I know it might be the same, but it's different. It's pink. Next, we got Fried Dragonfly. Next, we got Genki Macaron. Next, we got Potato. Next, we have Waste Truck. And last, we have Bog Bag. We only have 2 more after this. Next, we've got Carrot, another duplicate. And also another duplicate, man. Another one. I'm getting a lot of... And another one. And then, I got a new one. Deadly Bear. And also Squirm Cake. Okay. Next, we've got second to last. We've got hacked ham. We've got festering fowl. I'm going to let you. I've got carrot, but this time it's red. We've got little locker, who's not really little. And we've got spittle whittle. Well, that's a lot of saliva. But it's red. That's a little freaky. And also squirm worm. Okay, we've got the last one here. We've got mushy mango. We've got creepy peed. We've got scruffler fish. And we've got oozy noodles. And snotty sniggle. And tangled seaweed again. Bye guys. This is the end of the unboxing. And also, I wanted to shout out to Brenda Drew. Bye.